Vents are a little too hard, boys.
We did get the car towed home and everything like that. So we've been working on it. What happened was the belt came undone on it, got tangled up all inside of all this crap, and come to find out the tensioner on the top tensioner up here was all mangled up. Only had one bolt in it, and the other bolt snapped off in it. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone, get a new one. I went and got a new belt already. I don't know where that's at, but yeah, I got that. All right, so I got all the parts for the car. We're on our way home now, so we'll catch you back at the house. These two wires right here, they're both with tape on them. They was just laying up like all the way up here and stuff. So we took the cover off, took this whole back thing off, and we found the plugs for them. Well, we plugged them up. Now the car runs perfectly fine. I'm not 100% on that. Haven't taken it for a test drive or nothing like that. Look how floppy that is. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a new intake for this thing too. This thing sucks. I'm also gonna have to get some new headlights. Cause these are all, yeah, as you can tell. Just get some new ones in this thing, make it a little bit better. Yeah, see. Basically, I gotta make my own little thing here because AutoZone don't have it to take the clutch flywheel pulley off. So I'm gonna make my own little thing. It's a little bit skinnier than that, so I think it'd fit in there a lot better. Cool.
Now you gotta get the thingy out. There we go.
Boom. Alright, so basically, as you can tell, we had got the whole front end torn off and everything. Going through took the bolt out right there. We had to drill it out and everything like that. We got the threads all perfect too. Went ahead and got a new belt tensioner, some new bolts, all that fun stuff. Also went and got new belts and everything like that. We gone through, fixed everything on it. There was a broken bolt inside of it that we had to drill out and everything like that for the belt tensioner. Got that replaced, got 2 new belts. So we went through it, fixed everything. Now we're gonna take it on a test drive here. And you see we still got the engine light. And it does not go into light mode no more. So we did fix that also. The one thing that was wrong with this thing was, I think it's like the intake. Yeah, there was only one bolt holding it in, and it was just finger tight. Now it's legit half of this car. Everything was just finger tight. So we're thinking the kid just went through and kind of just half-assed everything and threw it together to go through an auction. So here we are. Alright, so basically, yeah, we've been driving it for a cool second now. And, there's a lot more I want to do with it. Keep it going, keep it running nice. Man, for a car that was $200 out of Copart, she's doing pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Just a couple things I want to get is like the grills, obviously. This one, every time you shut the hood, it just flops out. I'm gonna get some new headlights for it, which will be pretty nice for it, actually. I want to lower it just a little bit, not too much. So I think I'll wrap up the video there, everyone. Y'all please like, share, and subscribe. I hope y'all stay continuing following along on this build and everything like that. So far this car's doing me good. A couple things here and there is because of that kid. He didn't know what he was doing with it. He was just wanting to get rid of it again. So I'm going to go through and fix everything that he messed up or didn't do to it when he had it. It's a fun little car. It was cheap and everything like that. We're just going to go through, fix up everything on it, and keep building this car up. It'd be fun to see it go faster and everything like that, but for right now it's just a daily. I hope y'all like everything that I'm doing to this car and the love. I'm gonna try and get back up on that more. It's just this job. I think I'm pulling 65 hours a week almost, so it's quite a hassle and everything like that. Getting home, I'm just tired. I just want to go to bed. So y'all, I'm gonna get back up on those trucks and the cars and all that fun stuff. So y'all stay tuned. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'll follow me on there because I do post more. I post about my job up there too. Y'all can see me posting about the 2020 Stingray Corvettes. I got to drive 2 of those, and then what else? There's just a lot of cool cars I get to post up there. So y'all please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna get out of here.